Do you want to become AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate and also want to get your dream job? And this course is for you. My name is Shikhar Verma and I will be the instructor for this course. I'm having 13 years of IT industry experience and also a professional IT trainer. My passion is to create online certified courses and teach online. I have been teaching to over 25,000 students online and helped many students to pass their various certifications like RSC, RSCSA, AWS, Ansible, Red Hat Cluster. Learning is important, but most important is how to explore it. This course is designed in such a way that you can learn as well as explore the entire course module with various lab sessions. In this course, I will teach you everything you need to know to pass the AWS Certified Solution Architect and will also help you to get your dream job as well. AWS is a booming technology, so this is the perfect course to get up and start running with AWS. This course module is meant for the students who are new to cloud computing. I will start with the basics such as Introduction AWS Cloud Computing, why cloud technology is booming in the market, what are the benefits of AWS Cloud, AWS regions and their availability zones. And then we'll start with EC2, security groups, AMIs, EBS, EFS, AWS command line, and various other topics as well. And then we'll move towards the S3, the major topics with S3, Route 53, serverless, Lambda and DynamoDB, VPC, many more topics. In total, I have prepared more than 12 hours of video content, which includes theoretical PPT presentation as well as lab session. And the most important about this course module, at the end of every section, you will have exam tips as well as practice lab session. Don't take my words for it. Look at the reviews which I have received on my various courses at Udemy. And after the completion of this course module, you will be the next to be AWS certified. And also you will get your dream job as well. I am keeping my courses updated time to time. You can raise your query, concern, any suggestion into the question answer forum of this course module. And if needed, I will add more lectures which will help you. Believe me, this is not a fake promise. I hope that by now you are convinced, and still if you have any doubts, you know the policy. 30 days money back guarantee. So you are not going to be cheated here. This course will help you to take into the next level. So the question is, are you ready for the challenge? If so, then enroll this course today only and let's learn AWS together.